So today we are talking burritos. Now burritos, simply enough, means little donkey. This is because pack mules used to be able to carry a lot of different things. They also have a fascinating history, dating all the way back to 1500 BC in the Mayan Empire. And today are considered one of the world's favorite foods. So today I'm going to show you how to make steak burritos. We're going to be packing that with a lovely fragrant lime and coriander rice. I'm going to show you how to make a stunning dressing and a knockout guacamole. As always, like and subscribe, and let's get cooking this. Now this all starts with the seasoning for our steak. So into a bowl we're going to get oregano, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, some dried chili flakes, salt, pepper, a little bit of vegetable oil, and then some optional adobo sauce. It's not mandatory, but it makes a difference. We're then going to get that rubbed into our steak. I'm choosing to use sirloin steak here. So get that rubbed in nice and even, and then get that into your fridge while we crack on with our rice. So to some cooked basmati rice, I'm going to add some lime, lemon, and chop up some coriander, and then add a little pinch of salt. And we're going to mix that through nice and thoroughly with a fork, because a fork helps it to fluff up. Now for our guacamole, we're going to prep our avocados. So I don't advise doing it this way. I'm showing you so you don't do it. You can hurt yourself quite badly. I prefer to go straight down the middle. It's a lot safer and a lot cleaner. So we scoop out the flesh from the avocado into a bowl, and we're going to then mash that up with a fork. I like to leave a few little chunks here and there because I do prefer texture in my guacamole. We're then going to put in some diced shallots, diced red chili, diced garlic, some coriander, and then a lime. Mix all that through, and then when you're storing your guacamole, you want to make sure that there is no air left in the bowl, so get some cling film and push the air out. We're then going to get onto our chili chipotle honey dressing. So that is red wine vinegar, some honey, some chipotle chilies in adobo sauce, salt, pepper, some oregano, just a little bit of water. We're going to give that a quick blend just to bring everything together, and then we're going to start drizzling some oil in while blending on medium to low. The oil is going to help it emulsify there, and then we have our dressing. We again place aside until we're ready. Now it's time to get onto the main attraction. We're going to start searing off our steaks in a very hot pan. You want to get some nice colour on both sides of the steaks. Cooking for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then I'm going to get my tortilla on top of that just to warm through. I'll be doing this with 2 tortillas, and you'll see why. Now today I'm going to be using flour tortillas, because believe it or not, it's very difficult to get corn tortillas in Ireland. Now a common question I get when it comes to tortillas is why they break so easily. And when you see people making them, it rolls and it's more elastic and less fragile. This is because tortillas are traditionally made with some form of fat. So traditionally it would have been lard. Now they're made with things like butter, vegetable oil, vegetable shortening, any manner of binding fat. The nature of this means that when a tortilla is cold, that fat is fragile. When you heat a tortilla, it loosens out that fat, allowing it to be a little bit more malleable and makes your job a lot easier. Once your steaks are done and rested, we're going to slice them. And then I think it's about time to start building our burritos. So I'm going to get 2 wraps, and I'm going to kind of overlay them just a little bit. We're going to put some rice down on top of the wraps. We're going to lay down our beef. We're then going to put our guacamole on, a little bit of sour cream, a few black beans, and then we're going to roll it nice and tight, tucking in on the edges to make sure there is as little spillage and breakage as possible. Put that with some salad greens with our dressing, and let's try it. I could not be happier with this. There will be a full written recipe in the description below. Like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.